6th graders, you guys are getting ready to take your language test. I want you to have your language test in front of you, and I want you to make yourself some notations. These are things that I would tell you if you would be in school, but since you are not, I'm trying to make it easier for you because you guys have had to do a lot of this at home. It's just been harder to make sure that you guys know what you're doing, understanding everything. So I want you to have your test in front of you. I want you to have your pencil in your hand. I'm going to tell you some things before you start your test and some notations to make. So on your first part there, it says using verbs correctly. Circle the word verbs, okay? Don't try to correct another word that's in the sentence. You are correcting the verbs, making sure that you're using the correct verbs. And I will tell you that it says if there are no verb errors, write correct on the blank. I will tell you that there's only 4, I want you to mark this down. There's 4 sentences that are correct, okay? There's only 4 sentences that are correct. All the rest, you need to fix something. Remember, this is fixing verbs. Have they used the correct verb? Did they use the correct rise or raise, lie or lay, can or may, sit or set? Make sure that they have used the correct verb. All right, go down to the next part. It's pronoun, case, and agreement. And this is making sure that they use the correct, you have to pick the correct pronoun that needs to be used in here. And watch the subject. Look to see, is the subject singular or is it plural? And make sure you use the correct verb with a singular or plural subject. There's also some sentences that you have an option to pick the correct pronoun, but you need to know, is it used as a subject? Is it used as an object of preposition, a direct object, indirect object? If you know which one is used which, you'll know which one to pick. So watch that. Make sure that you're paying attention to both of those things, okay? You're choosing, you're looking at the subject and choosing the correct word in the parentheses. Over on the next part is using modifiers. All right, so it's in the use of adjectives or adverbs. And I will tell you that the first sentence, and you can write this down, make a little notation on beside sentence 1. There are 2 things you need to fix in sentence 1. There are 3 things that you need to fix in sentence 2, and there's 2 things in sentence 3. Okay? 2, 3, 2 on those sentences that you need to fix. All right, and then go to the next page. Using prepositions. Okay, remember, don't fix verbs in this sentence. Don't fix something else. You're looking for prepositions, okay? And making sure that they're used in the correct way. It says you're supposed to cross out any incorrect words and make the corrections. And it says put C for correct beside the number of sentences which has no error. All right, and I will tell you there's only 1 sentence that is correct, okay? Make yourself a note for that. Only 1 sentence is correct. And look for the prepositions and make sure that they have used them correctly. If they're not correct, cross them out and correct them. Put what needs to be there. All right, and down at the bottom, you're going to be, it says using conjunctions, and you don't have to rewrite these sentences. Same thing goes for over on where it's using modifiers. You don't have to rewrite the sentences on the bottom. If you just make the changes, crossing out what needs to be crossed out, whatever, telling me what you would do to change it, as long as you do it in the sentence. So over here is the same thing. If you see something that needs to be changed, change it. And just crossing it out and telling me what you would do. All right, so I wanted to tell you that before you take your test, and yes, I am really praying y'all do good, and I am excited about closing this book. You guys excited about that? Being done with your language? And so yeah, we may read a book, and this next couple weeks we may read a book and write a report on it. But I will get back with you on that and let you know. All right, good luck. God will be with you.